Hello everyone. So actually I wanted to start my video showing you this feedback because it means a lot to me, and I will explain to you why. So actually last week in the VIP group of Telegram we have done really so well. The signals actually went in profit almost every single day except Thursday. Thursday was sadly a bad day, and we have even sent an apology to our members in the VIP group of Telegram, explaining to them that the market can never be loyal every single day, and we will do the best we can to recover any losses happened. And I'm so grateful to say that we are extreme traders and we have fulfilled our promise, and that can be seen right here exactly with this gentleman who actually have contacted us on Friday telling us that he is actually right now in profit after the losses happened. Not only that, but let's just zoom in and remember he just paid €50 per month, and look at that, he's making over $3,000 of profit in just one signal and in just one day. I mean in one day only, and that's really fantastic. Not only him, but if we check even the next feedback, we can notice here also he's happy with the experience because he say one signal hit or actually one candle hit take profit number 3, and that's why Simon told him that's why we are called extreme, because we are extreme traders. So I'm really grateful that we have fulfilled our promise. I actually don't have the final results yet, but what I know is the signals were so profitable. Let me just show them to you. This is the September 23, and as we can see, these are the results right in front of you, my friends. So if you guys join the VIP group of Telegram, you can find these results right in front of you. We are not hiding anything at all. I'm scrolling and showing you everything in our VIP group of Telegram without hiding anything at all, showing you the profits and the losses, and it's clear to you that the profits are way more than any losses happened. Even the losses are just like 20 pips only, sometimes 45 pips, but again, most of the signals are actually running in a very good profits. So I'm very happy for the experience, and I hope the guys also in our group are making a lot of profits, especially of course this gentleman here who have made over $3,000 of profit in just one single day. Amazing performance by Extreme Trader, and I'm so grateful, and I hope it will continue this way always. So again, my friends, if you wish to join Extreme Trader VIP group of Telegram, please contact our support right now. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. So that was really excellent performance in our VIP group of Telegram, and I'm really so proud, my friends, and I really hope you all can experience the same. Anyway, let's now begin our weekly analysis, and as usual we will start with the EURUSD. So I actually have sent here a signal for the last midweek analysis to buy the EURUSD at 1.114. As you can see, it was really a good signal, and so far went in total of 57 pips of profit, currently 17 pips. But however, this signal after the last two price actions right here is no longer valid, so we have to consider closing these signals right now and get done with it. And let's see now what we can do next with the EURUSD. So right now I'm on the weekly chart, and let me just tell you something, my friends. Usually the normal behavior of the market, if there is actually a downtrend and there is a resistance trend line being broken out from like that, of course I have explained this a million times, but for the new viewers and followers, they don't know it yet. When there is of course a downtrend and a resistance trend line, and that level of a resistance trend line being broken out from just like that, normally what will gonna happen is that the market will always fall back again to retest that broken level of a resistance trend line, but not immediately. First of all, it will continue the rise to hit the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, or the level of a key resistance, and after that it will reverse back to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line and create a new supported trend line. And after that it actually might continue the fall or might reverse, we don't know yet. So how we can apply the same here? Let me show you. I'm actually right now on the EURUSD on the weekly chart, and what we have right here of course is a broken level of a resistance trend line, exactly what I have just told you. And as you can see, the market just kept rising, and right now reversing exactly from this level of a resistance. Now, is this 61.8 Fibonacci indeed? Let's just check it out. So what I will do right now is just simply draw the Fibonacci like that, and sure enough, we can notice here that the market has indeed reversed exactly at Fibonacci 61.8 key level of a resistance. That means that right now the EURUSD is looking for a bearish fall, in my opinion, and will continue the fall toward the support right here exactly at 1.078, retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line, and also might create a new level of a support trend line. So that is my perspective on the EURUSD. Not only that, but even the price action tells so. As we can see right now here, the current price action, this inverted hammer, usually once we see this price action, it usually indicates for a bearish fall. So let me just show you a quick example. I mean, if I'm lucky enough, we can see one right here. Once this candle appears on a resistance level, it means that the market right now getting ready for the bearish fall. Last example, if I'm lucky enough to find it, let me just scroll to the left side. If I'm lucky to find one, I need to find inverted hammer, and there it is right here. We have another example of the same candle has appeared just right there. So again, from technical view and from the data that we have, we can tell that the EURUSD is most likely right now going to respect this level of a key resistance right here at Fibonacci 61.8 and will start the bearish fall. Now back to the daily chart. Daily chart also shows right here a strong consolidation on the same level of a resistance. The market actually has spent the whole week trying to break out from this level of a resistance and just kept reversing. We have 1, 2, 3 reversals. So meaning we can say that we have here 3 top. And by looking at the 4-hour candles, we indeed have here on this pattern a triple top pattern, which indicates again that the EURUSD is going to continue the fall most likely. So not only that, of course, but we have here, of course, a fake breakout. Those twin candles, usually after the appearance of it, the market will go in the opposite direction. For example, right here, we have those twin candles and the market just kept falling in the opposite direction. So we can say the same about the current price action. Most likely the EURUSD will continue the rise right here to reach the highest level of a resistance. And after that, it will continue the fall at least to reach the nearest level of a key support at 1.110. So that tells us that we can most likely sell the EURUSD exactly at the peak of the resistance right here at 1.118. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 22 pips, hopefully before we can start shorting it. And now for the take profit level, we can actually place it right here at the next level of a key support at 1.109, expecting around 86 pips of profit. And in this scenario, the safe zone should never actually range much higher than the peak of the resistance at 1.122, expecting around 38 pips of a safe zone. And that's everything, my friends, for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. So as you can see, for the Pound USD, I actually have sent a signal to buy the pair exactly from 1.336, and the signal has actually went in around, I think 50, yeah, exactly 50 pips of loss before finally goes back all the way in 74 pips of profit, but currently, of course, only 10 or 11 pips. However, what we can do next right now is simply get rid of the old signal, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So by moving right now to the weekly chart, we are also seeing here a lot of pressure on the Pound USD from this level of a key resistance right here exactly at, let me just be sure, at 1.343. So a lot of pressure on this pair. And right now, in my opinion, what will going to happen next is that the Pound USD is going to actually react to that level of a resistance and make a bearish reversal right now, respecting hopefully that level of a support right here exactly at 1.318. So remember, we are actually right now on the weekly chart, so we have to predict only the next candle. On the weekly chart, you don't really have to predict the entire direction. You just want the next candle only for the next week. So therefore, as a reacting of that level of a resistance, I'm expecting from the Pound USD to reverse and falls back all the way right here to that level of a key support. And after that, it will start the rise. So looking to short the Pound USD for this week and hopefully looking to long it the week after. So that means that we have to expect from the Pound USD to continue the fall to another 190 pips. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right now is simply a triple top pattern. 1, 2, 3. And also that indicates a continuation in the bearish fall. So the 4-hour time frame really cannot give us much of details. Let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. That's much better. Now we are seeing the hidden things that we couldn't see actually on the 4-hour time frame. For example, we have here this level of a key resistance exactly at 1.339. That was invisible actually to me in the 4-hour time frame. However, now the 1-hour time frame is indeed revealing this pattern. Not only that, but if we check the Fibonacci retracement right now here, we can see that the same level is exactly Fibonacci 50. So a lot of confirmations that we can most likely sell the pound USD exactly from 1.339, targeting of course the previous level of a key support. Of course, that is not a realistic signal. I will give you a signal just till the market reach that level of a key support at 1.327, expecting around 123 pips, hopefully gonna be in profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than the peak of the resistance at 1.343, ranging for around 40 pips only. And that's everything, my friends, for the pound USD. Let's now jump to the AUDUSD. Alright, so again, I believe AUDUSD was also a good signal. Indeed, it has actually went all the way to the edge of the safe zone. Actually, the activation was here, and then it went all the way to the edge of the safe zone. But as you can see, it didn't touch the edge of the safe zone. Actually, moreover, it didn't even exceed it. That's the reason I'm telling you this is a safe zone, meaning that the edge of it is not a stop loss. Actually, a lot of followers, unfortunately, they think that the edge of the safe zone is the stop loss, and that's why when the signal hit it, they tell me in the comments, it hit stop loss. Actually, it didn't, my friends. You can place your stop loss anywhere outside of the safe zone, here or even here or there, anywhere outside of the safe zone. As long as the signal is running in the safe zone, it's still a valid and a good signal. Eventually, the AUDUSD has went in a total of 68 pips and currently 30 pips of profit. However, what's next, right? What's next with this signal? I believe we can no longer buy the AUDUSD. We have to consider shorting it. From my point of view right here, actually on the weekly chart, as you can see also right here, that the market right now is actually facing a strong key level of a resistance, and it's actually at the perfect reversal point. So again, AUDUSD is facing actually a lot of pressure right here. Of course, based on the weekly chart, again, we have a real level of a resistance. Then, we have here a fake breakout, and then we have here number 1 and number 2 of resistance levels. We can expect actually from the next candle on the weekly chart to be bearish. Most likely it will actually retest the broken level of a support right here, and after that it will continue the rise. So meaning actually we are trying to trade the pullbacks this week. Therefore, by the way, this was monthly chart, sorry. Yeah, I was actually thinking, what's wrong? It wasn't like that when I checked it before. That was monthly chart, and here is the weekly chart. We can see almost the same thing. However, based on the weekly chart, we are expecting actually a pullback to happen. And right here exactly is going to be the next turn where we can expect from this level of a support and this level of a support to be actually respected once the AUDUSD falls back again right here to retest that level. But until then, we are looking to short the AUDUSD till it reach that area. So, looking to short the pair, let's now determine our take profit levels, which is going to be, of course, the nearest level of a key resistance to the current bullish breakout candle, which means we are looking for around at least 76 pips of profit. However, now for the sell, where exactly we can sell the pair? Now, actually, if we look right here at the 4-hour time frame, we can notice clearly right here that we had, of course, a resistance trend line, and right now we have here the bullish breakout from that level. Indeed, it was just a fake breakout. So here, a real level of a resistance trend line, real level of a resistance trend line, and then a fake breakout. So what we can expect right now next from this pair to continue the rise and hopefully respecting the same level of a real resistance trend line, and afterwards we'll continue the fall toward our support at 0.682, expecting around let's say around 92 pips of profit. Let me just now write the signal here, make sure it's correct. 30-minute time frame, exactly, we are looking to short the pair exactly at 0.691. However, the safe zone in this case actually shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than the peak of the resistance at 0.694, ranging for around 30 pips only, seeking 93 pips of profit. Let's now move to the USD CAD. Unfortunately, the USD CAD signal, as you can see, my friends, has indeed failed. Why? Because actually we thought that, let me just first of all delete the old signal. Actually, we thought that the USD CAD has actually here made a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line, And as you can see, based on the daily chart, the reversal happened indeed just for one single day on Thursday, but Friday, of course, the USD CAD has gained some boost and actually broke out again from that level of a resistance trend line. Sorry, a support trend line, and as you can see, as a result, the pair actually resumed the rise. So therefore, if I just move right now to the weekly chart, now we can see clearly right here that we had, of course, support that indeed has been respected. And that means that the next candle most likely is going to be bullish, at least till the market reach the highest level of a key resistance right here, which is the nearest one to the support right there. So therefore, we are looking to another 100 pips of profit. However, let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is a very clear and simple entry. This is for me like ABC Forex. Just simply look for the bullish breakout candle, as we can see right now, and then wait for the market to respect the same level of a key support. And by that, of course, we have here a double bottom pattern. All of that confirms that the USD CAD has a potential to make a pullback and respects the same level of a support at 1.349, and afterward will continue the rise at least to reach the nearest level of a resistance right here, exactly at 1.362. And that means that we have a potential to make around 130 pips of profit. Again, I would always love to give my friends a realistic signals. Therefore, I'm going to make sure that this is going to be exactly my level of a take profit level, the real level of a resistance right here, exactly at 1.358, expecting around 92 pips of profit. And in this scenario, the safe zone should never be ranging lower than the previous level of a real support right here, exactly at 1.345, ranging for around 40, let's say around 40 pips only. And there goes our signal, my friends, for the USD CAD. Let's now move to the USD JPY. And I will tell you something. Unfortunately, my USD JPY signal has failed, and this is one of the reasons why I really hate this pair. But however, as you can see, eventually, after all this failure, finally the USD JPY actually went back below our entry, and as you can see, finally respected exactly our new sell level. So unfortunately, this was really a tragedy. It was really a bad signal in the end. Sorry, I mean, it was a good signal in the end, but sadly, it went way in a big loss. Unfortunately, it took it actually a lot of time to be finally in profit. However, in my opinion, this signal is still valid, but we just have to expand right now the take profit level to be right here at the lowest level of a support at 141.220. And I will tell you where exactly we can resell this pair again. Just give me a second to figure out where are my numbers to write them exactly just like that. So right now, where exactly we can resell this pair? Now the question is, where exactly we can sell the pair? The answer lies again in the resistance trend lines. So what I will do right now is draw here a resistance trend line and check this out. So right here we of course have a real level of a resistance trend line, and again I'm actually on the 1 hour time frame. So real level of a resistance trend line has been respected to become a support trend line, then a bearish breakout candle, then it became a resistance trend line number 1. So therefore, we can actually expect from the pair to continue the rise, and hopefully not only the resistance trend line number 2 will be created, but also the horizontal level of a resistance right here will also be respected. So we are looking for a resistance number 2 as well. That being said, let's sell the USD JPY exactly at the same level of a resistance at 142.998. And I'm going to just edit the entry to be right here, and the safe zone is going to be just remaining the same, and the sell is going to be right here exactly at 142.998. And I really hope this time is going to work out very well for us. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 82 pips. And again, this is nothing to the USD JPY. I mean, just one single candle went for about 350 pips. The next candle right here, as you can see, went in 77 pips. So this is nothing to the USD JPY right now. We can actually look to around 177 pips of profit, and the safe zone that ranges for 65 pips only. And of course, I'm still going to skip the USDCHF, and soon I will just replace it with another pair. But until then, my friends, I believe this is going to be everything for this weekly analysis. And again, don't forget to join our VIP group of Telegram to receive all kinds of signals such as the EURUSD, Pound JPY, all the signals that you are not receiving here on for free on YouTube, you can actually find them in our VIP group of Telegram. And I really hope the next week is gonna be very profitable, just like this one. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.